Welcome back to Code Solo. And this video we gonna be talk about caching strategy.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Widely used topic and very important in microservice or any architecture you use in. So there should be a cache management in your application. So let's get started. What is that and how we can do it. So basically here we will talk about what are the cache strategies and which cache you need to use at what time. So basically you knows in my previous video I have implemented Redis cache. So it was the example of how we can use the cache in our application. Okay, so if you are new to my channel and this is the first video you are watching, then let me tell you, cache can reduce response time, decrease load on database, and save cost. So this is the best advantage of cache. There are several strategies, and choosing the right one can make a big difference. So here I have demonstrated with the one uh, diagram you can see on my video here. There is a user asking, "Hey, website, give me information on XYZ." So basically, there is a website backend which will ask your information from the places, either from the backend or from the cache. First of all, it will hit to the cache, check if XYZ information is in cache, it will return faster. But let's suppose there is no data belongs to XYZ inside the cache, then what it will do, it will go to the backend DB and check if XYZ information is not in cache, compute it slow. So this is the advantage, because from cache it will return faster, but from the DB it will return a little bit slower. So let's see which one is the first cache strategy. We have here write through caching. So this is a write through caching. Time to treat our cache as a real time backup. How is it? Time to treat our cache as a real time backup. Basically, whenever you write data, update the cache simultaneously. So let's see a Java code how we can make it seamless. So basically here we have a Java code, if you can see, load cache. Okay, loading cache is a Java class. Okay, and it has a cache builder dot new builder. So cache builder is a class which from where it is coming, there is a dependency, group id com.google.gobava and artifact id gobava, and the version you can use whatever the latest one. Okay, and here is the method object load, and there is a key. Okay, and it will return fetch data from main storage. So fetch data from main storage means from the DB based on the key, and then what it will do is it will write through cache dot get key. Okay, it will write the data into the cache. The cache is automatically updated when fetching data from the main storage. And you can see the diagram here. There is an application. Okay, it is writing a cache and then writing to the database. Simple. Got it? So this is about write through caching. Let's move to the next one.
अकेले अकेले मजे नहीं लेने दूंगा मुझे भी चाहिए
Here is the read through cache. So how we can read it using a code? So theory everybody understood with the topic only, but here we will talk about little bit of Java code which you guys will take a help in your projects. You can easily add up these things in your project so that your application will uh, be faster, okay, in transferring the data. So here let's introduce read through cache. This strategy allows the cache to automatically fetch data from the main storage when it not present. It simplifies your code by handling read operation seamlessly. Okay, you got it, I think. So basically there is a cache builder again, and we will use a load method inside, and automatically it will fetch. Okay, and what it will do is it will use the key, whatever the key you wanted to fetch from the DB. So here you can see read through cache. So read through cache is the object of load cache. Okay, and it will get based on the key. Simple, very simple, only few lines. It will make your application faster. So here is the example how it is reading from the database to the cache and to the our application. Simple. Hope you understood it. Let's move to the next. Here we have time-based caching. We have time-based caching. It's like giving your data a use by date. A use by date means a specific time of period. And let's jump into some Java code here. So basically there is a cache class, and same again we are using cache builder. Then here we have method expire after write. Okay, so this is expire after write, taking two parameters. One is the time and second is the what, like minutes or years, whatever you wanted to write there. Okay, and then it will build. Now time based cache will put, basically the time based cache is the object of that cache, and it will put key and value pair. Value whatever the data you want to store, key whatever the key of your data you want to store into the cache. Now after 30 minutes the data is automatically removed from the cache. Got it? Time based, it means how uh, how much time you want your data to be stored in the cache, and after that time it will be removed. Okay, like example WhatsApp use, or maybe in the server they don't store your data permanently for some scenarios, so it will delete. Okay, let's move to the next one.
रुको जरा सबर करो बोला धक्का मुक्की नहीं
LRU, least recently used cache. So cache, we can take example of shelf. Okay, so imagine your shelf space is limited. Least recently used cache keeps your data fresh by replacing the least used items. Okay, so let's see how it can be done. Now cache, again we have a cache object which having key and value pair again, and then cache builder having the maximum size. Okay, the, let's suppose your shelf having 100 books. Okay, so it's the maximum size. Now it has remove listener which will notify which book you have used very least. Okay, now it will put as a key and value pair in the cache, and when a cache is full, adding a new item will remove the least recently used one. Got it? So very simple. You can directly use this code in your application using that dependency I have shown you in starting of the video. This one, dependency com.guava, com.google.guava, and the artifact ID is guava. Okay, so this is simple.
4 बार बोल रहे हैं पढ़ने निकले वाले छात्रों को राजनीति से दूर रहना चाहिए हैं? अबे पढ़ाई लिखाई में ध्यान लगाओ, IAS बनो और
Now the last one but not least, cache invalidation. Cache invalidation is the process of making the data in a cache as invalid. When the next request arrive, the corresponding invalid data must be treated as cache miss, forcing it to be generated from the original source. Okay, and database or services. So basically this is the piece of code. Same again we are using cache builder, and invalidate cache we are putting key value pair, and there is a method invalidate. Based on the key it will invalidate from the cache, and the key is removed from the cache and keeping it clutter free. Now cache invalidation clears outdated or irrelevant data. Java provides simple way to keep only what spark joy. Okay, so this is how we have cache strategies you can use in your applications. Okay, this will make your application more reliable and easy to use, and the most important point is faster. Okay, so hope you enjoy and learn something basic about the cache strategies. I will make a video on depth, so that in the project I will show you how we can use in the real time scenarios. Okay, so till then, bye bye, have a good day.
खत्म बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय